Is your Google Nest Cam speaker not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will guide you through common causes and solutions. Speaker problems can stem from connectivity issues, software glitches, hardware faults, or power management settings. We'll cover each of these areas to get your Nest Cam's audio back up and running. A weak Wi-Fi signal is a primary suspect in Nest Cam speaker issues. Ensure your Nest Cam has a stable 2.4 GHz connection. Use the Google Home app to test your network strength near the camera. Move your router closer if needed, or consider a Wi-Fi extender. Interference from other devices can also disrupt the signal, so keep your camera away from microwaves or other electronics. Keep your camera away from microwaves or other electronics. Upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi network may provide more reliable coverage. Software bugs can mute your speaker or cause audio distortion. Make sure your Nest Cam is running the latest firmware version 7.4 or later as of 2026. Check for updates in the Google Home app. This ensures your device has the latest bug fixes. If an update doesn't fix the issue, try a simple restart via the app. This refreshes the device software. For more persistent problems, perform a hardware reset by holding the reset button for 5-10 seconds. For the most persistent issues, perform a factory reset through the app. Note that this will erase all your custom settings. These software solutions often resolve speaker issues without needing hardware intervention. Physical damage, dust accumulation, or battery degradation can affect your Nest Cam's speaker performance. Let's examine how to inspect and address these hardware issues. Physical damage to the device can directly impact the speaker's ability to produce clear audio. Dust and debris can accumulate on the speaker grill, muffling sound output and reducing speaker performance. Battery degradation in wireless models can reduce the power available for speaker functions, leading to weaker audio output. To begin inspection, carefully examine the speaker grill on your Nest Cam for any visible obstructions or blockages that could impede sound. If you find dust or debris, gently clean the grill using a soft brush. Avoid using water or harsh chemicals to prevent damage. If you suspect internal damage or cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, contact Google support. Devices under warranty may qualify for repair or replacement, particularly older models from before 2023. Regular inspection and maintenance of your Nest Cam's hardware can help prevent speaker issues and ensure optimal performance. For battery-powered Nest Cam outdoor models, power management is crucial for maintaining speaker functionality. Low power modes automatically disable speakers to conserve energy, which can affect two-way audio and alerts. When the camera detects low battery levels, it enters low power mode to extend runtime. This mode turns off the speaker to reduce power consumption, even though microphones may still work for recording. To resolve this, open the Google Home app on your smartphone and navigate to the camera's settings. Check that the speaker is not manually muted or disabled due to power-saving options. Ensure audio settings are fully enabled for proper functionality. Solar panel optimization can significantly improve speaker reliability by ensuring the camera has sufficient power. The solar panel charges the battery during daylight hours, preventing the device from entering power-saving modes that disable audio features. If using solar power, verify the panel's connection to the camera is secure and properly aligned. Ensure it receives adequate direct sunlight exposure, ideally facing south in the northern hemisphere. Monitor battery levels through the app and test the speaker after making these adjustments. Advanced troubleshooting begins with the Google Home app's AI-driven diagnostics. Available in version 3.5 and later, this tool proactively identifies and fixes software glitches that can cause speaker problems. To use the diagnostic tool, open the Google Home app on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu and select the diagnostic option. The AI system will scan your Nest Cam for potential issues. The diagnostic tool automatically detects problems like connectivity issues, software bugs, or configuration errors that might affect the speaker. Once problems are identified, the app provides specific solutions. Common suggestions include clearing the app cache, relinking your Google account, or restarting the device. According to Google's internal data, these AI powered diagnostic tools successfully resolve over 90% of speaker issues without requiring hardware intervention. Looking ahead, the future of Nest Cam's speaker fixes involves advanced AI assisted troubleshooting, where machine learning algorithms diagnose issues in real time and predict failures with 70% greater accuracy. Cross-device ecosystems will enhance audio through integrations like Google Pixel phones using Bluetooth 5.2. In final thoughts, stay updated with the latest Google Home app versions for optimal performance. While hardware failures can occur, most issues are resolvable through software updates and network optimization. If problems persist, consider contacting Google support for personalized assistance. The future looks bright for Nest Cam reliability, with quantum-secured firmware and advanced neural networks promising near elimination of speaker issues by 2028.